Alright, so the question here says simply solve square root of 13 squared plus 13 squared plus 13 squared plus 13 squared. I want to solve without using calculator. Okay, so solution. Alright, so how do we solve this? Very simple. First of all, I'm going to bring down the question. The question says 13 squared plus 13 squared plus 13 squared plus another 13 squared. I'm going to simplify this, alright? So we are going to factorizing. You factorize 13 squared out, you will let to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This will now be 13 squared times 4. Alright? Now, 13 squared times 4, we can factorize this 4 to be 2 squared. And from, square root, we can say, and from lots of indices rather, we can say that 13 times 2 all squared. Now, what is 13 times 2? 13 times 2 is 26 all squared. Now, square root cannot be written as 1 all over what? 2. So the 2 here cancels out the 2 in the square root. And the answer here is what? 26. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.